By now you should have received in your inbox the agreement between you and I, our working relationship. The first 2 pages are actually the disclosure, state disclosure that's required. So that'll have one signature for each representative. The next thing is the page 1 of the buyer's representation agreement, which basically is the key word here is exclusive. So it means that I exclusively work with you and you exclusively work with me. And then it also has the date of how long that relationship is in agreement. The second page is if there's compensation other than the seller pays for the commission. So typically that's just there's nothing there. The scope of what my duty is on page 3, and also the buyer obligations on page 3 under the 7. And the most important thing is the first deadline, which is to get your financing pre-approval, which probably already started. And then that way we're able to go look at the houses and get one. And then the last page is just like if there were some sort of dispute, then this is how it's handled. However, basically, if you don't want to work with me and I don't want to work with you, it's really easy just to terminate it, but we have to actually just give each other notice. So not that, hopefully that doesn't happen, but you just have to include it. And then you have the last signature, and then the last thing is the buyer inspection advisory, which we don't have an address, more than likely not. So let's say TBD. And this just says, it encourages you to get inspections for whatever property that you're going to potentially purchase. And so it's just saying that it's big on inspection disclosure. But yeah, I look forward to working with you guys. And if you have any questions about the form, please let me know. And I look forward to receiving the signed copy.